Now I want to show you how to do competitor keyword research with SEMrush. This is something you cannot do with the Google Keyword Tool. So you see, if I search for a competitor website, this is some other t-shirt store that's owned by a competitor. On the left side, I can see organic keyword research, and I can see all the keywords they're ranking for. Some are obvious, funny t-shirts, obviously, but then ugly cat, that's weird. I wouldn't think of that. Or maybe nerd t-shirts. It makes sense, but I wouldn't think of that. And some of these don't make sense at all, like nearest bar, that's weird. But free hugs, that's kind of a t-shirt thing. Weird t-shirts. So sometimes it's good to see what competitors are ranking for. It's not necessary because all these keywords are also going to be available in the general keyword search, but some might not be. They might get creative, like ugly cat. That probably wouldn't have gotten suggested to you just by doing keyword research in a straightforward way. But this is something where they kind of went out of their way and they got creative and they came up with this ugly cat keyword. And weirdly enough, ugly cat has 40,000 people searching for it, which is really strange, but that's what it is. And so it actually can be an interesting keyword. Now, are people searching this keyword looking to buy a t-shirt? No. But can a small fraction of them buy a t-shirt? Maybe. So it's certainly an option we wouldn't get from other keyword tools, because this kind of a keyword comes from creativity more than a tool, because a tool wouldn't think to give us that. Similarly with this Bob Loblaw, I don't know who that person is, but there's some search volume around him, and the keyword tools wouldn't give that probably. So this is a good option for additional keywords. Now, what I also want to show you is this keyword gap feature. The way you would use it is you would add your website, a competitor, and another competitor, and then you select compare, and you would see what is the gap of keywords, how do they overlap. And so you see this column right here is my keywords. Obviously, my site is very new, so I'm not ranking for a lot. But here's another competitor. They're not doing a good job. But here's this competitor with the purple little circle. And look, it's almost like they're using this tool perfectly, right? It's almost like if they had a good keyword tool, they would use it. And that's why they have such good keyword coverage. That's what it looks like when you see the results of the benefit of using a keyword tool intelligently versus flying blind like the other competitors are. And obviously they're not ranking well for a lot of the keywords, but that comes over time. But certainly they have the foundation to rank well for a lot of keywords. And that's something you can easily get with this keyword gap tool. And if you want to see what an individual competitor is ranking for or what keywords they're targeting, then you would just use this organic research right here. So that's how you get extra keywords and extra keyword ideas from these two features here.